Welcome to part 3 of me looking at TPI's new kid on the block, the dc711 flue gas analyzer. Now if you haven't seen the first 2 videos on this analyzer, then I will leave a link in the description below so you can check those videos out after you've seen this one. And if you haven't seen those 2 videos, you won't also know that Tomcat has opened a shop. Well, Tomcat Plumbing and Heating Supplies has opened a shop and you can buy all this equipment from us. Anyway, in part 3 what we're going to do is we're going to see how the dc711 pairs with the Bluetooth printer and how it will also work using the app. So let's get on with it and find out exactly how first we're going to pair these 2 together. Now to pair these devices together, the first thing we need to do is go down to Setup and Accept it. We now need to go down to the printer and accept it. We now need to turn on the printer and we need to scan by pressing F1. So you can see there's quite a few things it's found, but the first one we need is the one right at the top. So to connect to that, we press F2. We can now see the printer is paired here at the top. So these 2 devices now are connected to each other. We can now escape out again, and we're now ready to use these 2 together. So we're going to get it on a boiler, we're going to use the flue gas analyzer, and we're going to print off the results. So I've got the dc711 up and running now. The boiler is on, it's just doing central heating and ticking along, and we can see from the screen that it's working. Now you can see from the screen there is no printer connected, but when we turn the printer on, it will automatically pair with the device, and you can see now it's paired. If we want to print, what we need to do is press F1 and it will print the results out for us. And look how quick that was. So you can see everything's been printed out. And it's working pretty damn quick and pretty damn good. Now you can see I've switched over from the analyzer itself to the app. And when you are using the app, the screen itself on the analyzer says in remote control mode. So if we want to print from the app, we go on to create report. Again, report set. Now we've got our readings and it says here, do we want to print? So it's now found the printer, so we go onto the printer and it prints it instantly off for us. So that's how the printer works from the app and the analyzer itself. Now that's how the new TPI dc711 flue gas analyzer works in conjunction with this printer, and how the printer works with the machine itself and with the app. Now don't forget, if you haven't seen the first 2 videos, there are links in the description below, and also don't forget, if you want to buy any of this equipment, obviously not the iPad but any of the other equipment, then you can check out this website and email below. So hopefully you've liked the video and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.